Welcome back CSE 3200 Yukon Stores. We're in Chapter 20, Video 5, and in this video, we are finally going to achieve our first objective. We are going to take some of the code that we put in over the last two videos and on Create, and we are going to start to move towards a repository pattern. Remember that a repository is meant to encapsulate the logic that retrieves and shows you how to display the data that you're keeping. In the future, our data is going to be photos, but currently it's just HTML. Okay, so we're going to create our photo repository. This code here, with the exception of this line, is just cut and paste from our onView created. This line changes a little bit. This is in onView created, this part here. Currently, this does not say photo repository.fetch contents, but it says our API .fetch contents. So it says Flickr API .fetch contents. So, okay, there's actually something not showing on this slide, which I will try to fix if I can remember to do it. But we are going to basically make a suspend function in photo repository that calls the Flickr API .fetch contents. So we'll have to take care of that. So let's see, the stuff up there, if I hit that. Yup, I did talk about that, and I did talk about that. Okay, so let's get to the code. So we want to right-click on com.dot, new Kotlin class, and we are going to call it photo gallery repository. Let me check that. Nope, just photo repository. Just checking. Very small font. All right. Private val Flickr API. Of type Flickr API. All right, it says add a getter, but we're going to add an init block. And in this init block, val retrofit. Actually, let's just cut and paste that. Let's see if the suggestion here has changed. Add initializer. OK, I'm doing that now. So let's go into photo gallery fragment. And we are going to cut all of this. The last line will change, but we'll change it on the other end. And this will have to change. I'll change it now, but we don't have it set up at this point. It is going to become photo repository dot. And it's not auto-completing, even though I have a photo repository, because I haven't made the fetch contents method in the photo repository. So let's paste this. OK, this line gets changed. Flickr API is equal to retrofit.create, and I don't need the type anymore. All right, let's see what this error is. All right, took a while. You will probably do this too, and you type Flickr, you want to spell the word, spelled it incorrectly. Did it twice, just noticed that. Okay, so after the init block, we will create that function that we need over here in Photo Gallery, and it's going to just be fetch contents. And it is basically just going to use the Flickr API's fetch contents. Suspend fun, fetch contents. Pren is equal to Flickr API dot fetch contents. All right. Just need to go over here, make sure that error is gone. It is not. Did I misspell something? Doesn't look like I did. Nope, that hasn't changed. All right, I need, oh, I see it, photo repository pren.fetch contents. Okay, so we are simply going to run this and see that we haven't broken anything. And if we haven't, then we have achieved our first objective. Let's see if we got it. Looks good. We're getting our messages in the logcat. And yep, it still hasn't broken. All right, so we have finished objective 1. In the next video, we will start to get into JSON objects, and we're going to have to take a little bit of a detour and go and explore Flickr a little bit so we know how to fetch those photos. See you there.